Today we will learn about index and match and how it is better than VLookup. If you use VLookup always look for the first column to match. So you need to rearrange your table to get the matching column at the first of your table. So that's the limitation for our VLookup. But if you combine the index and match, you will not need to face that limitation. So what does index do? If you provide index with an index number, then it will return the value. Let's see. Go to formula, then lookup and reference, then index. Then the first one is the common one we are using. Then it's asking for the array. So this is our array. Then it's asking for the index number. Suppose we want strawberries. So it's on 4 number index. So 4. Press on OK. So strawberries. And the match is exact opposite of index. Like come here, then look reference, then match, then which value you are looking for. Suppose you are looking for pineapple. Then it's asking that where is your array. So this is my array. Now the third parameter is if you want the exact value of what it's representing and the first one that's matched, then you need to put here 0. Then press on OK. Now as we know the operation of index and match, now how can we get this kind of result? By combining these two index and match function. Our scenario is we have two different table, appointment and nurse, at two different sheets. We will inquiry by the nurse ID and we will want to know that what's the name of the nurse, which patient she should be attended to and at which room. So let's do it. First the nurse name. We know that index returns the value according to the index number. So the first one should be the index. Look and reference, then index, select OK. Then it's asking for the array. We need the nurse name. So go to the nurse sheet, select the names. Now it's asking for the index number. So for index number we need the match. Let's write match, match. Now come to the formula bar, click on the match. Now we have the match frame open. The first one is which value, employee ID. Second one is which array. So nurse, employee ID. Third one is we need exact match. So 0. Press on OK. Yes. So we have the name of the nurse. Let's change and see that we are getting this or not. Okay, we are getting our result. Let's check about the room number. Room number is our appointment sheet. Let's do it fast because we already know the steps. Select the cell, then look up and reference, then the index because index return the value. So we want to know the room number. Go to appointment, select the rooms, then it's asking for the number, match. Click on the match. Which value you should look for? We look for employee ID. Second one is the array. So again appointment and the nurse ID is here. We need exact match. So 0. Press on OK. As you can see that we have our room number 2. As we are dealing with the same table, you can just come to the formula bar, copy it, escape, then select on the patient table, paste it. Here you see the room, just change the room into the patient value, press or enter. So we have our patient ID 2. Let's check. So if you guys have any question, please comment below and give a thumbs up. See you on the next tutorial.